All right, so let's be real. For most beginning traders who do not have a lot of capital, it is nearly impossible to become a successful trader or make a career out of it. And that's why for most beginning traders, we recommend using prop firms and leveraging their capital to grow their trading accounts. If you're only trading with $500 on a live account, realistically, to grow that account to make it a career will be nearly impossible. For the same $500, you will be able to buy a 100K prop firm account, pass the challenge, and trade with a six-figure capital. If you guys are interested in prop firm trading, we have helped hundreds of members become successful prop firm traders, and in just 1 year, they have now become seven-figure prop firm traders.
All right, so here is the dashboard for one of our members who started with our prop firm automation accounts back in July. For most beginning traders who start off with $1,000 or a couple $1,000s on their trading account, it is very difficult for them to scale their accounts or be able to make trading as their full-time career. These are actually 200K accounts, and the way he has been able to make these kind of five-figure payouts is by utilizing and leveraging prop firms. He only started with 2 prop firm accounts, which was Effexify and FTMO, and then now he has been able to scale his accounts to 5 different prop firms. This is definitely enough to make trading your full-time career. Just in the month of July, he has been able to secure $20,000 from FTMO and $18,000 from E8 Markets. If you are only trading with $1,000 or $2,000, it is definitely not even worth it. This is our 200K prop firm account copier. The account has grown to over 230%. And this is the same account as this right now. Based on this account, the account has now grown to 230%. Let's just say, for example, that you started off with just $1,000 trading account. Realistically, trading with consistency and risk management, you cannot expect to double your account immediately. Let's say that you guys were able to hit this 230% growth rate on a $1,000 account. That will actually only equal to about $3,000 plus. On these prop firm automation accounts, we started back in the 30th of July, 2025. We are currently at the 9th of July, 2026. So in order for us to grow this account this much, it actually took us 1 year. 1 year to make a 230% growth rate. And this is what reality looks like. It does not matter what you see on social media where they post $1 million profit or they post $10,000 profit in a single day. In order to make $10,000 profit in a single day, you would actually have to have a big account balance in order for you to even hit a 5-figure day. Realistically, with most trading, you will not be winning every single trade. Even with this kind of win rate, it took us 1 year in order for us to grow this account to 232%. That's why most of the members who start with us in our community utilize prop firms to grow their trading accounts. And once you guys do make payouts, so for example, this member right here received his FTMO payout for $26,000. And once you guys do make payouts like this, then you guys can actually use other prop firms, scale your buy other prop firm accounts. Let's say, for example, like right here, starting off with just his Effexify and FTMO account. And once you guys do make profits like this, then you guys can scale your prop firm accounts. This is actually our community right now. We have helped close to 1,000 members get funded on their prop firm accounts. And I'll show you guys the difference on what a 200K prop firm account can actually do for you. If I go into the history right now, this is actually the profits for just this for the past 3 months. And if I go to the last week, so the last week, you can see that the profits are $14,000 for just 1 week. And that is the difference between using a small live account or a larger prop firm account. If I had a $1,000 trading account, making 6% in 1 single week would actually bring your account balance to $60 in total profits. And making $60 per week will not even fill up your gas tank these days. This is the difference of using a bigger account and why prop firms exist. And I'll show you guys the profits for the past month. For the past month, we did about 15%. And this is the reality of trading, making about 10 to 15% on a large capital account or making 15% on your small trading account. So this is why we definitely recommend prop firms for beginning traders or for new traders. And if you head on over to Funding Pips, a 100K challenge actually costs around $500. So if you do get funded, if you pass your challenge and get funded, then you can get a 100K account size for only $500. This is a 200K account copier, but let's say that you made about 15% on your 200K account. You guys will be able to make about half of this. So it will be about $15,000 on your 100K account. This is the difference between using a large prop firm account compared to your small trading account. And just make sure you guys do realize this growth rate, 230%, took us 1 year for us to grow this account, incurring losses, and you have to stick strictly to your risk management, or even your $1,000 account can end up becoming zero. If you guys want to get funded and become a profitable trader, we actually have automated services, whether it's our US30 trading bot, our FX Goliath bot. You can see that it takes 1 to 5 trades per day, 1.5% maximum stop loss per day. We also have automated services. Then make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. You guys can check out all of the previous videos. We make weekly update videos on all of our EAs and services. Hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your prop firm trading journey.